All right. Sorry guys for this. I've been trying to see what is happening to WhatsApp. I've tried to share the links, the link to the groups, but WhatsApp has refused to send them. Up to now, they are still showing they are there, but they are not yet sent. So that's why people are not receiving any links. The link has only been on as WhatsApp has allowed it on the community on the channel. Yeah. So that's why I've been trying to figure out what's the problem, but up to now I've failed to get the problem and it's not yet sorted. So you're not going to see the links in the groups until it is sorted, because they are there but they are not sent. I don't know if I can even send a message on the groups. Let me check, because I'm using a PC. I don't know if there's a problem with Chrome. I'm not sure. I've even restarted WhatsApp on Chrome, but it is not working out. So let me check here. I've tried to send a message here. Let's see if it will go. Not really. The message is not going. So I think either WhatsApp is holding me, is doing all this, or something else is wrong. Yeah, but Otherwise, welcome back. Thank you guys for joining. Welcome Rubina, welcome Shamim, welcome Felix. All right, so let's do our usual thing. This is done here at Decode Traders App. If it is your first time to be here, welcome. We appreciate you for being here. If you don't mind, go ahead and like, share, and also if you don't mind, still subscribe if the content is helpful to you. All right, so we are going to pray and then head over to our usual routine of analysis. Father, we thank you for today. We say thank you for this beautiful morning. We say thank you that you've brought us back here to be part of this and to analyze the charts. We so say thank you. And as we get into analysis, Lord, give us the knowledge and wisdom to be able to understand better these the market, to be able to understand better the signals that are good to enter and those that are not good to make an entry, and help us to understand where to exit from and where to keep holding. We give you praise. We love you so much. In Jesus' name we've prayed. Amen. Amen. All right. So crash 500. Crash 500. All right, so crash 500 yesterday. Wait a minute. Yes, we missed this retracement here. Those who remember, we missed this retracement. So it went all the way back here and broke out. Didn't consolidate that much. I only took this advantage. I only took this trade from here to there when it was retesting there to give me a new lower high there. That is the trade I took. Apart from that, there was no other trade. Yes, apart from there, the other trades, all of them were worse. I tried to take one here. Let me see. M15 there, took my profits there. The rest actually took me out. Then I again entered, took my profits right there because I had brought my SL into profits. That was a retracement right there. So yesterday it was a selling day on crash. It was a selling day on crash. So all we can now get into, let's first delete all this, all that, clear chart. I want a clear chart. Alright, what is this here? Delete it. Now let's start from weekly. We are looking for sales. Daily we are looking for sales. That's why we are selling yesterday. And now we are on that very support. It's a daily support level there. Yeah, we are on that support level. It's a strong one. So from that room level, H4 hasn't yet reached oversold, so we may anticipate a bit more of consolidation right here. We may anticipate consolidation where we are currently, but if that consolidation fails to hold up, then on H1 we will be looking for the breakout right here. Why? Because we have a double bottom right there. So as we have a breakout right here, that means this will be a change of character to start the buy entry, the buy trend. Now if we know that, then we can take advantage of that. So that's basically it. I don't even have to go to M15 because it will be the same as H1. So for now I will wait for price to break out there. If it fails and comes back again here, I may enter it and keep taking advantage of it within this range right here, within the range down below here. Yeah, so like that. That's how I can keep taking advantage of it, taking small short profits and closing out according to M15. That is from there to there, from there to there, like that, until we have a breakout to take us into an uptrend. according to H1, H4 until it comes to oversold. We are still looking for sales, so that's why we will use H1 now to look at to confirm the buy entries. Alright, that is crash 500. Now let's head over to boom 1000. Did anyone make money yesterday on crash or any other asset that we analyzed? If you did, please go ahead and let us know in the comment section there, and we congratulate you on your profits. Okay, so boom 1000. So boom 1000, it was a tricky one. This was a tricky one. I remember telling you that we will do what? We will leave it alone. So first go to H. Let's go to weekly. That is what was happening right there. It's a rising wedge weekly. Then we have a breakout on the daily time frame, and the retest has been there. This was like a retest move. That buy, yesterday's buy, was like a retest, but has it reached a point of interest? Let's go to H4 and look at that. Touched it only. It's not yet confirmed. It may still come again to reach it halfway. So the buy is still on according to H4. We have seen a retest on H4. So according to H4, those who have big accounts, you can in fact enter here the buy and put your stop loss just below here. Why? Because this trend line here has been broken out and the retest is going to close outside. We know it's going to close outside. Yes, for now, because we are remaining with what? We are remaining with only 8 minutes. 8 minutes, it will not, remember it spikes when it is buying, so there is no spike that is going to push for the closure of this candle inside this very structure there. So that's why we are going to anticipate a buy there. But now I've entered a buy and I've remembered that this is like a rising wedge. If it is not, let me understand. If this is a rising wedge, then this, yes, it is a rising wedge. Then this is a fake breakout to continue selling. So that means I will be closing my. Sorry, this was an impulsive decision. My bad. There, this was an impulsive decision to enter that buy. This was an impulsive decision. Why are we going to look for sales? It's because now this was a manipulation move to go and grab liquidity and orders of the liquidity that was with the orders that were left there. So that has been done, and we know that rising wages, we always look for sales. We always look for sales. The reason I was looking for buys is because of H4. H4 is still showing us this level to reach overbought. But according to daily time frame, we're supposed to be buying. According to H4, we are supposed to be selling because of the structure here that we see on H4. On daily, we don't see that structure. It's another structure there altogether. So we In fact, I should draw this structure of daily. Let me first delete these things on H4, then I draw the structure of daily. So delete all this. It kept on not giving me what I was looking for, so I never made any money on this. Yeah, so delete. And now from there, clearly you can see that according to M15, we are already seeing lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, until something else changes. Yeah. So now that I've deleted all that, the structure of the structure of daily, let's look at H4 there, right? So the structure of daily can literally be seen like this, like that. That's a high there, right there, and these would be the lows, and this would be like what, according to daily, this would be like a descending triangle according to daily. So let's change that. We give it a dash right there, and also this we give it a dash. So that's what we can anticipate on according to the daily. So if I go to H4, that's how you will be able to see it, H4. So if it is a descending triangle, that will also signify sells. Yeah, according to daily, that will also signify sells. Why will it signify sells? This is like it is like as if it is on a what, on a resistance level right there up at the tip of the uptrend. So meaning you'll be looking for the continuation of this move right here after breakout. So you'll be looking for this kind of move. So I can delete that now. I can even delete this for now because in this move I don't see it. So if that's the case, to take us right back here, once we have a breakout there, then you have to understand that H4, we are going to continue with the sells. Yes, because this is a rising wedge, and rising wedges we always anticipate selling. That's for sure. So for now, I will wait until price gets back into the rising wedge there, and now starts to take advantage of it. We had an opportunity to grab it right there, but me, I wasn't online. Now there is something that one may ask me, why then are we seeing CCI showing us that it is oversold, Now it is only showing you that because of this level here. It's been on that level for so long, that's why it is now showing you oversold. But according to structure, even according to this, those who remember, this was a rising wedge. This was a breakout, perfect breakout, consolidated, then retested up there Now we're supposed to be selling, not buying, according to this that we see here. So that's why the sales are more likely to happen than the buys. I want us to understand that. And M15 for it has already started selling. So what is going to give us a confirmation is price to get back inside this rising wedge. Once we have that, then we are good to go into sales. I leave that at that, and I want now to head over to another asset. Hopefully now I've explained this better, and you guys are going to grab opportunities in Boom 1000. It gives money, but only and only when you have good entries. If you get a bad entry, man, it takes a lot of money. So you need to look into that. Patience pains but pays. If you can't be patient, then you will lose a lot of money. But if you're patient, if it means coming every hour to check if it has given you what you're waiting for, what you've been waiting for, then do it, but not rushing into making a decision that you know would actually impact you. Alright, so Boom 500. I hope that has been clear. I've talked a lot on that boom because we needed to clear the air there so that we are all ready to make that money. Alright, so Boom 500. Alright, weekly. So weekly, we see a change of character right here. That's what we've been seeing, change of character. But then daily we are oversold, so meaning we are looking for buy entries to take us right there to grab the liquidity. This manipulation has not happened, so I can delete it for now. Now go to H4. We know that H4 and daily we are in that descending triangle, which is like on the support level there. If you can, you can choose to call it that. It is on that order block, and it has been there for some good time, so it now confirms to be a support. So if we know that, then we know that there's a likelihood of it trying to break and first give us this. For a manipulation, I want you to understand that this would only mean a manipulation trade. Then later on come in with the buys. So you have to be patient. So if it comes down like that, if it comes down, know that it is not going to continue selling. According to what we have on CCI, we are not supposed to continue selling. But if you are looking on the structure, this should actually make you continue selling. Yes, this should, once you see this in the middle, it should actually emphasize you to continue selling. But according to what we have, wait a minute, now I know we may never see this move. Why? All the liquidity has been taken out. It's only the order blocks there. We don't see any fair value gaps left back. So if that's the case, that means on H4 it's going to keep consolidating within this until it is overbought. Once it is overbought, sales will still come in stronger to take us where we want here. That would be our first TP. The second TP is here, the third TP is there, all those are going to be TPs until we reach this level here, which is a weekly fair value gap, until we reach here. Now that is clear. So let me mark those TP levels. One is there, the other one is this one, the other one is that, then the third one, I would actually take the whole of this. So that will be the other one. I hope you can see where it will be bringing us to that very level there. So that fair value gap. So all we want now is, these are many arrows, just delete that. These are many arrows, and just first remove that, leave this alone. Yeah, go to H1, H4, delete this arrow, H1, delete all that. Okay, so now we are clear. So according to H1, now we are looking for sales. I want to say that where it is currently, I may not make any entries because it is consolidating and it seems to have reached its level where we should be looking at any time breaking out. So now that we know that sales might continue, so we might anticipate the manipulation move the other side. Yeah, so this is where you might anticipate the manipulation move. Yeah, you need to be ready for that. You need to be ready for that kind of thing right there. All right, so I think that's it. That's it really. Okay, so that is a Boom 500. Let's now head over to Volatility 25. Boom 500 is a no-go. I'm not trading it until I have either either this manipulation move and later on coming with the sales or the breakout. V25 1S. V25 1S. Now this is a mess. Yesterday I had said I'm not entering this until alright, so let me first understand this. We are within this range according to weekly, and we are anticipating sales. We have gone there to grab liquidity. This is a fair value gap right here, and we've reached that fair value gap. Is it enough to come back into sales? Let's see. So everything is pointing to sales according to weekly, daily, and also having the other confirmation of CCI. Now H4 is also pointing for sales. So all we need is now an entry for the sales, but we can't enter now just because we are looking at that being what? Breakout, not a breakout, that is a breakout structure right there. It's not that significant, but it is a breakout. So this move here, we knew it was going to happen. Those who remember the analysis, we took advantage of this trade, I think. I don't remember. So all this, yesterday I wanted price to come back to at least this level. So it reached that TP level. Those who remember, the TP level there was taken from this very move. That's how we knew we were going there. Yeah, exactly. It was spot on. So once we had that, so we no longer need this. Delete this. This may be still needed. So once we reach that level, first delete this. It started to consolidate a bit according to M15. Started to consolidate a bit, and then later on gave us a breakout, went back inside. Later on it broke out perfectly, and that's how we saw buys again coming. Now came back here, now pushed for price to break the structure right there. So we had a break of structure right there, but as we can see according to M15, we are now overbought, and clearly this is where our change of character is meant to happen right there, and that's the level we are at currently. So if price breaks that level, we have started selling. If price breaks that level, we will have started selling. So until then, I have no business with this asset. It's a big asset. I don't just rush into it to make decisions, just like how I normally look for sniper entries on other assets. No, this one I take my time. This is a big asset that I don't want to mess up with. So that's it for VS25. I can't until I have a clear breakout and retest, and then I can make my entry. But it's likely to give us some money today. It's likely to give us some good money today. Those who love trading it, I advise for you to trade this to be at least having yes, 100. You may trade it if you have a tight a sniper entry and a good a risk to reward ratio that you've already calculated, and you know you're not losing a big percentage of your account. You want, if you're going to trade this, means you're going to trade only one entry with your account, one entry with your account, knowing that you are applying proper risk management and capital and account management. All right, V75 I've talked about. Volatility 75. Yes. So that was, it's clear. I don't even have to go to I was actually waiting the whole of yesterday. I was waiting for this move. It never happened. So it has happened this morning. So clearly that is a change of character right there. So there's nothing now holding us for the sell. It means all we want now is, after this change of character, we want a pullback. A pullback to where? This pullback may come to this fair value gap. Yeah, it's going to come back to that fair value gap, and then we come in with our sells. I'm not seeing it come here. Yeah, or there. I'm not seeing it come here or there. So I'm seeing it come here. So that means we are coming here. Yesterday I entered after seeing this retest here. I made my entries here for this sell, but the sell was not breaking out, so this was a sell there. After breakout there, I had that kind of sell. That was at night. It had already given me all this profit, but I didn't close. I wanted it to break, but it never broke out, so came to my stop loss in profits, took me out. Kept on consolidating, then tested there, grabbed liquidity on that fair value gap like I had put it there, and went into sales. This was a good move. This was a perfect move. That was around what time? I missed that. It was a move that I normally love. That is at 3, 4, 5. At 5, yeah. That's when this move started. At 5 a.m. Alright, so we know this. That's what we're going to look for. And first wait. Let's first go to weekly. Weekly, we are looking for buys. Daily, we are looking for sales. So we are still coming back inside here until we have tested on the weekly. So coming back inside here, according to daily, H4, it's very clear, we're already selling. H1, we are selling already. M15, the buy is on, just like how we want it to reach there, and then come in for the sell. So we wait now for the entries. Perfect. That is now clear. Alright, head over now to, let's get to another asset, which is V50. Time is rushing. V50. V50 weekly. We have been doing that. We are supposed to be selling according to weekly, so we headed back there on that level there. Headed there on that level, and now we clearly see that we have reached that order block, the weekly order block, or that resistance level actually. Yeah, that's a resistance level. And now H1 has started to signal us buys. Why am I saying signaling us sales? I mean, because of the candle that I see there. It's a doji there. So if it is a doji, first delete this, go to H1. So H4 has shown us a doji. H1 is overbought, so it is going to give us that and then come in with a sell. So those are my moves. These are my moves that I normally wait for. I gladly wait for this, patiently wait for that to come to pass. Once I have it, I know that my target of the day is going to be hit. So now that I have that, delete all this. Now that I know this, so I'm going to wait. So M15, we wait for price to come back to such level. That's a fair value gap right there. It may come there or to the other book, and then we come in for the sales. So that's what we will wait for. There's nothing that is putting us on pressure. Please don't trade when you are having either bills to cover or you are having a debt and you want your own pressure to get money to pay this and that, the bills, so I need to make this money quick and quick. My dear, you will see you later saying I blew the account. Yeah, that's how tricky trading can be. But I know that us who are here, we are getting the discipline. The more you get into the charts, by the way, the more you learn something new. So don't give yourself an excuse not to check charts every day. Please always have yourself be in the charts. The more you keep into something, the more you start to understand it, and the more it becomes clearer. And once anything becomes clearer, you start to see dots coming together. Yeah. So persistence into the charts and that urge to keep learning every day is what will make a difference in your trading career. But if you don't have that and you always want to come in for the analysis session only, to look for a signal and fail to go to analyze on your own, check the charts, try to make sense of probably what I was saying here, then you are lying to yourself. You need to come here, get to understand what I was doing here, and probably be doing it on your PC. If you can't do it on your phone or on your PC there and then, get another time, go now into the charts, looking at what I was doing, try to make sense of it and ask yourself questions. Change will always come when you start to ask yourself questions. So if you want to change things around you, the way you trade, all the things you in your own life that are not making sense, you start from asking yourself questions. Yeah, I think that's clear. I've talked a lot. Let's now head over to jump 25. Jump 25. So jump 25, I made money here. Did I? I think so, I did. After this breakout here, this was yesterday, yeah, after breakout there, yeah, this was the money here. But let me understand it properly. Yeah, made that money yesterday, yes, that money from there to there, that buy. Then I think I shared that. I think I shared this move here. I don't remember, but yeah, we made that money there yesterday. Then the other money we made was this buy here. These ones were short buys. These were short buys. Actually, this was scalping move. This was a scalping. So yesterday I actually made a lot of money on jump 25. I made a scalping move here and took my profits there. Yeah, I had multiple entries right there, but the perfect move was here. After reaching this level, took that trade. I didn't have my TP around that level there. In fact, I think it was around here. So it came to this fair value gap right there, and that's how it took me out. Yeah. So now weekly, let's remove that. Weekly, we are still buying according to weekly time frame. Daily, we are still buying. We are looking for buys, but oh wait, there's no but yet. There's no but. Oh, this is not how the row is here. So like that, that's what is happening according to daily time frame. Yeah, according to daily time frame and H4. So if we know that that was a sell, came to that to give us an oversold, and now we started the buy. Now we are coming in to test this level here. That's a level I put. That's a fair value gap. Once we reach this level, the buys start. It first gave us this move, but it was not enough. That's why the sell came in. So now once we reach this other level, we are going to push higher for it will be a good momentum kind of trade for the buys or for the uptrend. So what we can do now is delete all this and wait for that kind of buy, and hopefully everyone can take advantage of it. I'm going to according to H1 it is showing me buys, but yes, okay, it hasn't broken structure yet. Okay, let's check M15. M15 we have a break of structure, but then we don't have, we actually now see this, but I want to show you this also according to M15 so that we know what market normally does. I want to show you also that that may also be something you need to understand. Yeah, this is also there, and this can be seen as a flag. So meaning if it is a real flag, then you'll be looking for such a trade. You'll be looking for such a trade after the breakout. So I need you to be ready for anything. Yeah, in fact I'm going to wait for that. In fact, that's the trade I'm going to wait for. I'm not seeing this as a change of character because of what it is doing, so I will wait for the breakout here, and I will trade that breakout. I will trade that breakout. I will trade that breakout out of the flag right there. I think that's now clear for us. So those who want to trade jump 25, we will have that breakout, and we continue with the sale to bring us where? To bring us right here where we want to start our buy. So for now I can delete these. Yes, I can also delete this for now and have this only as what is remaining. On the other case, according to H1, you may also see this. Yes, so I want to confirm always that so that we know what is happening and we'll be able to understand that the sale is still on. So we may also see this there. Yes, that is another, that is H1 analysis right there. That is H1 analysis. So it may continue playing within here until it comes to this level right here. So this is H1, but then there is M15 there, which is signaling us this. So which one is going to be which? Like what I'm seeing which is going to likely happen is actually the one on H1, because now it is clear. It shows us the reason why we are looking for buys on H1 on M15 according to what we see right here. So it will be coming to overbought, meaning it will be coming right here. It will be coming right here. So that leads us to first take this off. Once we understand that there is that other data that we are not seeing, then we know that this is a double bottom. We know that that is a double bottom right there, and now we wait for the change of character to come in place. So that can now be the case. Now we know it is trading within the range like that. H1, it will be coming right there, then come again down until it comes to this level there. Then we see this move that we want to see. Now H1 is clear and M15 is also clear. So right here, if it comes back to this level, I will make my entries. I won't wait because I know that's where I will have a perfect entry. Yes, I think that's it for for jump 25. Now let's do the last one. and we call it a day. We are within that kind of is it a channel? Somehow, one may call it a channel, I think. Somehow. If it is a channel, then we'll be looking for this move at breakout. Yeah, that's the move we'll be looking for when it breaks out. Yeah, and this is the exact move right there. Alright, so if we know that, then we already know that it is selling according to weekly, daily it is buying just to grab liquidity there. So we are supposed to be selling where we are currently, and to actually confirm that we have that to confirm. That is a new data that has come to light, so we can take advantage of it and use it. So if we have that there, then I will be looking for this move later on. We'll be looking for this move later. Yeah. So that move will be bringing us around that level right there. That is the resistance. We haven't gotten to this other level. Grab that and come down again. This is becoming tricky. First understand weekly, selling, daily, buying. So this sell, this may break out right here where we are. We may see a breakout to reach that level. So if we do that, if we see that, it means H4 is only going to be selling short. It's only going to be selling short to later on come again and give us this breakout that we are looking for. It's only going to be selling short. This is a breakout structure right there. So this is a retest and then probably a breakout right there. So I need to understand this is still a no-go for me. It has a lot of uncleared structure and unverified structures that I'm not ready to risk money on. H4 and H1 are showing us sells. M15 on the other hand is also showing us sells. So if we know that was a change of character, was it there? It was actually here. That was where we saw the change of character there. Then started to go into sales. And the momentum of sales, you can see it is a bit low. The momentum of sales is a bit low there. So we can now do what? I have to say this is not going to be my kind of trade, so I will wait for what comes to light according to H1 and H4. I'm not going to use any M15 entries at all until something new comes to light on H1 and H4. Alright, that's it. So today's likely trades that we may anticipate, it is if you can do the recap. Helen says she made money on Crash and V75. Okay, congrats Helen. So Crash 500. Let's do the recap and we call it a day. Time was 1. What are we looking for? We are looking for sales. So I can make my sell entry right here. And I'll put my stop loss right there so that I don't I don't have, and I'll be looking for my profits right there. This is not, this is it's a fair value gap there, coming back inside. Okay, so here I've made my entry for sales. Why? Because I had a change of character right there. And why? The other reason is daily shows sales, weekly H4 we're supposed to be coming back here, but CCI somehow still shows us buys. Yeah, be okay with my stop loss right there. Yes, I'll be ready. I'll be okay with my stop loss right there. Alright, so boom 500 until we have a breakout, it's a no-go. V25, this is not a clear breakout, and so I have to wait for a proper retest for me to enter. Jump 25, volatility 75, retest there. It actually happened. This candle there, wow, it actually happened. So though it didn't happen the way I was anticipating, so it happened, reached there to grab that liquidity and started to sell again. So M15 will be showing that actually better. That's what happened there, and the sell started. V50 needed to reach there and then come in for a sell. Jump 25, reach back. Once it reaches back here, in fact, let me put a buy limit. I'll put my stop loss just below at 95,654.48. So that's where I will put my stop loss, just below that. Once it comes here and then it takes me out, yeah, I'll be okay with that. Jump 10, it's a no-go. It's a no-go until I see something like that. So I'm out. So today there are no entries that are that much that we've made an entry in on this session, apart from boom 1000, which is currently in floating losses. The rest are to wait and have a good clean entry. So let me wish you guys a good day. If you get an entry, you can always share with us on the WhatsApp groups that we have. If you have my number, you can always still share with me and we check it out. If I'm online, I will be able to look at it and check the charts. Yeah. Otherwise, let me wish you guys a good day. See you tomorrow. This is Friday, so see you Monday for this analysis, this session. But today we will have a BTC session at 1, so I'll be coming back here in just like a 1 hour's time to do the BTC session. Let me wish you guys a good day. See you soon for BTC and for synthetics. See you on Monday. Happy trading, guys, and have a good weekend.